Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an outlet 2008 Suzuki C50T Boulevard. This cruiser has 26,600 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike has been tipped over on both sides. So front tire appears to be in decent shape. Looks like it's got some good tread still left on it. So we've got some damage on the front side of the fender there. Some scrapes on the clear windscreen. Some scrapes on the headlight. Oh, I just noticed some here on the back of the lever too. We've got footboards for the driver with a little bend in the rear brake pedal. Footboards for the passenger, leather saddlebags, passenger backrest, and luggage rack. You can see we've got a crack in the rear fender, so hard to say which tip over that did it on, but and then the rear tire low on tread. So something that's going to need to be replaced fairly quickly. And again, luggage rack and passenger backrest, leather saddlebags, footboards for the driver, or passenger, footboards for the driver with a heel toe shifter. And again, tip over on this side, front fender, headlight, clear windscreen. Scratches on the windscreen. Show you those miles now. 26,518 is what's on it. I'm gonna set the camera down here. This 2008 Suzuki Boulevard C50T is an outlet motorcycle and will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.